My name's John Vancrey. I'm the product sales specialist for homogenization here at SPX FLOW in Gaulin, Wisconsin. Homogenizers are used by food processors as well as other processing companies to make sure that they make a consistent product every time, and every time the consumer tries that product, it's exactly the same as the time before. APV has been making homogenizers here in the U.S. since the 1930s. We have a very extensive network of distributors here in the U.S. that support our customers. If a customer is down, they are not able to run their plant or that process until they get all those parts. A typical plant could be losing thousands of dollars an hour when those parts are not available. So it is critical that we provide those parts as quickly as possible to get that machine up and running. With our full range of APV, Rannie, and Gaulin homogenizers, our customers can expect maximum uptime and have the most flexibility to process their product the way they need to.